Hey people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Ayush. Today we will see a program of a function with return value. So in the last program I have told you guys I'll explain this topic later. So in this I'm going to use a simple function for multiplication of two numbers whose name is multi, but in this time we are going to return a particular value from that function. So in the declaration we'll have to specify the return type of the function. What is return type? Return type is the data type of the value which we will return from the variable to the main block. The other signature is same as function name and parameter data type. After that, in the main block, as we have to multiply two numbers, we'll need two number variables, that is two integer variables, and the third integer is result, which will store the returned value of the multiplication from the function. We'll input both the numbers from user with printf and scanf functions. Then moving towards the main logic, the main logic is the result, which is the variable for multiplication, is equals to multi, that is function name, and both the parameters, that is both the actual parameters number 1 and number 2 passed to the variable, passed to the function. This particular line is the function call. In the last program we have just used this much statement and not the complete statement that variable is equals to. We are not getting any value out of that variable in the last program, but in this program we will get a particular value out of that function, and after getting the value of result we will print the multiplication of number 1 and number 2, that is number 1 into number 2 is equals to the result. When the function will be called, it will transfer the control to the function, that is integer multi, and both the formal parameters. The number 1, the value of number 1 will be stored in A, the value of number 2 will be stored in B, and those variables will be used here. Look, we are defining a new variable that is integer res, which will calculate the result, that res is equals to a into b. The value of a into b, that is num1 into num2, will be passed to the variable res, and this variable will be returned. Variable res is of integer type, therefore we are returning the res variable, and because of that we have provided this return type as integer. When we will return this variable res, the value of res will be passed in here, and which will be stored in the variable result. So we'll get our output as number 1 into number 2 is equals to result. Let's compile and run our program. The two numbers are 2 and 3. Look, sorry, after running again, the two numbers are 2 and 3. We'll get 2 into 3 is equals to 6. This was all about returning the value. In this way, by changing the return type, you can return or you can pass any type of value from your function. It was simple. You will have to pass value in number of programs, so you can use return statement for that purpose. I hope you understood it. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section, or you can ask in comment section, and do like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.